Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today, we've got a truly inspiring story about a man who went from humble beginnings to becoming a global superstar. His name is Mammootty, and his journey wasn't easy at all. But it's a journey that teaches us a lot about perseverance and hard work. Mammootty was born in 1951 in a small village in Kerala. His family didn't have much. His father was a farmer, working day and night just to provide for the family. Life was tough, but even as a child, Mammootty had big dreams. Dreams that seemed impossible, considering where he started. But here's the twist: Mammootty didn't want to be an actor at first. Believe it or not, he dreamed of becoming a lawyer. Imagine the superstar of Indian cinema, sitting in a courtroom instead of a movie set. He worked hard, studied law, and became a law graduate. But life had other plans for him. In the 1970s, Mammootty took a leap of faith. He decided to try his hand at acting. But the road wasn't easy. His first roles were small, almost invisible, and honestly, no one noticed him. He faced countless rejections. But guess what? He didn't give up. He kept showing up, learning from every failure, and getting better every day. Then, in 1981, something happened. He landed a role in the film Azukya Ravanam. This movie was a turning point. His performance was so powerful that people finally started taking notice. That moment changed everything. Suddenly, Mammootty wasn't just another actor, he was a force to be reckoned with. But that wasn't the end. It was just the beginning. After that breakthrough, Mammootty didn't just rest on his success. He took on more challenging roles, explored different characters, and proved he was more than just a talented actor. He was a master of his craft. He didn't just act. He transformed into every character he played, bringing them to life in a way that no one else could. Fast forward to today, and Mammootty has acted in over 400 films. In Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and even Hindi. He's one of the most respected and loved actors in the country. But here's the real lesson from his story. Despite all the fame, Mammootty never stopped learning. He never stopped improving. Even after achieving so much, he kept pushing his limits, challenging himself with every new project. His story is a reminder that success doesn't happen overnight. It's not about luck, it's about hard work, persistence, and not giving up when the going gets tough. Mammootty faced rejection after rejection, but every time he got back up, learned from his mistakes, and kept moving forward. Here's the big lesson. Success isn't a straight line. There will be ups and downs. There will be times when you want to quit. But remember, like Mammootty, you can rise above. If you keep working hard, if you stay dedicated, the rewards will come. Mammootty's journey from a small village to becoming a global star shows us that anything is possible if we keep believing in ourselves. If Mammootty can do it, so can you. You just have to keep pushing, keep learning, and never stop believing in your dreams. So that's the story for today. I hope it inspired you to keep going after your dreams, no matter how tough things may seem. Keep chasing your dreams and keep learning every day.